Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another update on the project, the extension on the back of my house. Today was a great day. We got a lot accomplished today. It started off with the inspector coming. She inspected the footings for the foundation. She gave a thumbs up and the guys were ready to go. They had planned on pouring concrete in the footings in the afternoon. Because she was here first thing in the morning, the truck was able to come at 10 o'clock and the pour started right away. So that was pretty good. And they also had a block delivery. So we got the foundation footings in and we have all the block here on site. So tomorrow they will remove the forms and start placing the block and start building up the foundation. And we'll be moving along, hopefully to get up past all this foundation work and into the actual wood building. So we're looking forward to a busy day tomorrow, and stay tuned and I'll have a short video on that and you can keep on following the project. So thanks a lot. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel. This channel is not only about construction, it's about other technological things. So give me a thumbs up and subscribe. So thank you very much. Bye now.